Good morning. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. What is this on my jacket? So hey guys, today is Monday, bright and early. I am at work right now. Right now it's 8 o'clock, 8:03 actually, and it's November 22nd. It's Thanksgiving break week. I only work today and tomorrow. Bless the Lord. When I say it's a struggle to get up and come to work this week, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because I know it's like 2 days, which I should be excited about, but I'm here at work, just got in. I like to prep my stuff like when I'm leaving on Fridays for Mondays. And I thought I printed my materials, but I did not. So now thankfully I came in a little early. The floor is kind of quiet. So I'm gonna be one of the first people at the printer. Let me go print these papers and I'll come right back. I'm so excited to be vlogging again.
Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Cause tell me about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, man, that. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like, man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you tonight.
Hey guys, so I just got done teaching 2 classes. I am so tired. I feel like the kids felt my energy and they didn't have much energy either, but we just rocking out. I was just like, y'all, I know it's Monday, but let's just do what we gotta do. I'm on my prep right now. It's like my break, but not necessarily a break. I honestly don't like necessarily just be chilling. What I do during my preps, and I have 2 preps back to back, which is 2 class periods, and I love that I have them back to back because I get to plan my lessons. So I use the time. Something that I've been doing strictly this school year is not taking work home. And in order not to take work home, I have to do everything during my prep. So I'm really focused during my prep to get my lesson plans, make sure my lesson plan for the next day is done, or even for the week. I try to be very ambitious. Most times I'd be like a week ahead with the skeletal version, and now go in and add details to it and fluff it up a little bit. Tomorrow it's not going to be necessarily a lesson. It's just going to be them practicing. I'll be teaching some stuff that they messed up on, but tomorrow's just a chill day because the next day is break. So I'm not going to teach a whole lesson. They come back and forget it. So it's just going to be a lot of independent practice tomorrow and like partner activity. If you're thinking about teaching, and if you're thinking about, you know, any form of in the classroom activity, or if it's your first year teaching, my big tip for you is to set boundaries as far as work-life balance, because it took me 5 years. This is my 5th year teaching. It took me 5 years to get here, and I feel like it's easier said than done, but set boundaries. Use your breaks effectively. So like on my prep, usually on my prep I'll be like, I'm chilling, I'm tired. Now I'm like, all right, let's get this lesson plan done, So when I go home, I'm just chilling when I go home, and I don't have to think about, oh my god, I didn't do my lesson plan. It has not been a day yet that I'm like, oh shit, I don't have a lesson plan for tomorrow, and I'm stressing out the night before to do it. Knock on wood, but we're gonna keep it that way. But yeah, I'm on my prep right now. So I'm just gonna finalize their worksheet for tomorrow, and since it's not really a busy week, I usually write out like a to-do list for the week, but I don't need to do that because it's literally tomorrow, and like I said, they're just doing a worksheet tomorrow, so it's not much to write down. But I want to start on next Monday's lesson plan, so over Thanksgiving break I don't have to lesson plan again. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll catch y'all later. So I'm on my lunch break. I'm at my house. I don't live far from work at all, maybe like 10 minutes. So during my lunch break for the past like 2 weeks, I have been coming home. I don't know, it just feels better throughout the day to just like pop home and go back to work. It's just like a little refresher that I feel like I need. I don't know, I feel like if you're in the education field, I feel like most teachers or most educators are feeling this way right now, because it's been a long ride to get to Thanksgiving break, depending on the state that you're in as well. We didn't get as much break, so we're burnt out. So like, I'm just trying to, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So I'm gonna grab lunch, chill for a little bit for about 20 minutes, and then head back to work and then finish off my day. Hey y'all, a couple days later. I think the last time I vlogged was Monday. Today's Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. We're about to go on the road right now, last minute as usual. Originally there were really no Thanksgiving plans, and then my mom don't have to work anymore, so we're gonna have Thanksgiving. So we're about to go do some last minute Thanksgiving shopping real quick. Mommy at work, so I'm in charge of that. Pray for us.
And
Hey y'all, so I'm editing the vlog right now, and I just realized that I just showed a certain person without giving any context, and I know I'm gonna get questions about it. So in the next clip, you're gonna see that Sweets is here in the US. I'm so excited. I love this for me. Period. So I knew he was coming up, I just didn't know when, so he surprised me. I'm gonna insert the clip. I wasn't recording because obviously it was a surprise, so I'm gonna insert the clip that my brother was able to catch of him surprising me one night. Everybody knew when he was coming. My mom, my brother, my cousin, everybody knew. My grandparents, everybody knew except me. So I'm gonna show you the surprise video.
Go, you doing, man?
Ja, maar van.
I'm a sneaky. Period, Sweets there, my man there. Period. Who are paying me? Yeah.
I want to tell you from me that the car, but I couldn't tell you.
You say, watch out.
You got
Christmas come early, check out.
right.
I'm a boss.
Boss got a phone.
My boss, I know.
Okay, what type of phone you got? What type of phone you got?
It's the 13 Pro.
Oh, the Pro Max. Let me see if it bossy.
Yeah.
Ah, look at. I'm going like you're excited. Ah. Hey guys, so I was supposed to bring y'all on the road to go Black Friday shopping. Somebody left the camera. Forgot it actually, so we didn't get to vlog, but we just got off the road. I got a new TV. We're going back on the road, so I'll bring y'all, but so he just got his phone in the mail, so he's about to go activate that and stuff. I'm tired. I've literally been in bed all day. I don't know, I feel like after the whole Thanksgiving and everything and the celebration, I'm tired of people. And I don't mean that in any like disrespectful way or anything. They always tell me that I'm selfish, and I don't even think it's selfish. I think at a certain point, because when it comes to being so social for so long, I just get exhausted that I just need time just by myself to just like relax. So yeah, that's kind of where I am. And the fact that today is Saturday and I have work again on Monday, it feels a little, I don't know, I feel a little anxious. I feel like I need time to like just relax before I go back to work and everything, and I don't know how to explain it. But I have another event tonight. Every year my best friend hosts Friendsgiving. Now Friendsgiving is usually before Thanksgiving, but this year it is the weekend after. So we have Friendsgiving tonight. And then after tonight, I can really relax tomorrow, which I'm excited about, because I don't know, and I feel like I don't even have time to relax because I'm thinking about content for tomorrow. Sundays are usually my content days, whether that's filming, taking pictures for Instagram. I feel like I don't have time to do anything, so I'm gonna try to knock out some content today actually, and film a get ready with me. Hopefully for Friendsgiving, the clothes that I ordered for this season, and when I say season I mean like for Thanksgiving, all the events that I knew was coming up did not come. It was supposed to come on Wednesday, it didn't come, so now it's coming on Tuesday, which is after everything. So I really don't have anything to wear. I'm thinking about going on the road to just find a really casual outfit to wear, but I don't know. I'm bringing rice and peas to Friendsgiving, So we ran out of peas, so I'm actually at the supermarket right now to go grab some peas. So let's go grab some. Alright y'all, I'm about to call my mom because I see two types that she said, but I don't know which one, and I don't want to come back to the store, so let me make sure I'm getting the right one. She's not picking up. Your call has been forwarded to an automated. Oh, I'm gonna keep calling her. I think this store shutting down, and I low-key like this store because you get like Jamaican stuff, but it looks like they're closing. Your call has been forwarded to it. Yeah, so I'm just buy one that I know I haven't seen. It's a Grace one that I haven't seen her use. I've seen her use this, I think, so I'm gonna buy this, and hopefully it is it. They also have Tropical Rhythm on sale, so I'm gonna just pick some up just because they on sale. Hey y'all, back in the house, wig is off. I just threw the hat on. So I just want to show you I got two new things. For the longest, I did not want a TV in my room. I had one and I gave it away. Actually shipped it to Jamaica. And I was never one for TV in my bedroom because that's just my place to like relax. But lately I've been watching shows on my computer a lot. And I'm like, same thing. So I decided to buy a TV yesterday. Bought a TV yesterday during Black Friday. This is what I got. It's leaned up right here. It's I didn't want a huge TV in my room because I'm going to put it on my Chester drawer. So I think, yeah, it's 43 inches. What brand is it? It's this brand. Not too familiar, but hey, I'm not picky. I just needed a TV, honey. Yeah, so I think I got the TV from Walmart or Best Buy. No, I got it from Walmart. I was going to go to Best Buy, but then time was running out, so I just got it at Walmart. And then I also got a new phone. So the entire family decided they wanted to upgrade their phone. And honestly, I wasn't gonna do mine at all because mine work. I don't need the latest phone or anything like that. I'm fine. If I didn't get my phone upgraded, they weren't able to. It's some deal. So I'm swapping it out. So I had the iPhone 11 Pro Max. No, it's not the Pro Max. The iPhone, is it? Yeah, I got the iPhone 11. So this is what I have for the longest. So now I got the 13 Pro Max, which is right here. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't activated or anything because I'm gonna miss my little phone. Look at my hand, y'all. I'm gonna show this to y'all. Let me put y'all right there. Y'all on the tripod. Look at this phone. Y'all getting a little unboxing. Look at my hand. Look at this. Look at this. And look at this. Like, I mean, it's not that much bigger, but it feels huge in my hand. Like, I don't know. I feel like with this, I could just hold it like this. With this, I feel like it's a lot for me to like hold. I don't know. So we're getting rid of this, and I'm gonna activate this in a minute. I just went and bought a case and a screen protector from the store while I was out getting coffee, and I'm gonna activate this soon. I got the blue one. Blue is my favorite color, of course, so I got that one, and then I still got this, so I'm gonna use this for the rest of the day. I'll probably activate that later tonight, but the goal right now is to clean my room, set up this TV. I got some hair videos to film. I'm gonna film a hair video. The hair, I'm nervous about this color. I always wanted to try it, and I finally am trying it, but I'm nervous. Finished cleaning and everything. Room is clean. It's time to film. Even though whenever I film, my room is a mess again. But we're gonna try not to do that. But I came really quickly to show y'all I got my Fashion Nova package. I remember this morning I was like, my package is not gonna be here until Tuesday. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Honey, I got a surprise. So hopefully, my only thing right now is hopefully they fit. Yeah guys, so these are just basic like jogger sets, like basic stuff for the winter that I need. I don't think I have enough winter clothes still. I don't know, I feel like all the websites that I usually shop on, first of all, Black Friday sale where? They're not having no Black Friday sale, so don't let them fool y'all, because especially Fashion Nova talking about 50 to 80% off. Y'all capping, because them prices was not that high. This is how they get you. They'll cross out, let's say, because these velour sets, I bought them maybe 2 weeks ago for $20 because they had a sale on them, so I bought them for $20, and now on Black Friday they have them for $20 again, and they're gonna say the original price was like $50 or $39.99, which when I ordered these, the original price was $30. So they're just trying to cap on people to get people to buy stuff. So don't be on the hype spending all your money, because honestly it's not really no sale. I mean, buy the stuff that you need obviously, because they'll be cheaper now, but don't go crazy, because I definitely didn't. I know I want pieces and stuff to like do my hauls and to do pictures. Haul isn't necessarily my focus. I do want to do them maybe in the new year. I'm just trying to figure out like my style for the winter. I've been trying to get some inspo, because in the winter time, y'all, I'm basic AF, like tights and t-shirt and my jacket, like that's me. But I do want to be a little bit more classy, like I don't want to say, yeah, I do want to be classy period, but I also want to be like real to myself. So I'm not going to come on here like, hey guys, I'm dressed up today every day, all day, I woke up like this. No, because as you can see, you're never gonna get that. But I do want to carry myself a little bit more ladylike, classy, female, girly girl type, you know. And I feel like as I'm getting older, I feel like that's what I want to transition into. But y'all will still get this, don't worry. The real day is not going away. Y'all will see the real deal, but I just want to, and it's not about like creating a look for anybody or anything like that. It's just for me personally. It helps. As y'all know, I just got off like a little hiatus off YouTube, and I feel like one of the things coming back that's helping so far is just like me getting dressed, getting dressed up, feeling cute and all that. It helps for me mentally. So if that's what it takes, honey, we're gonna protect this mental health regardless. So whatever it takes, because if your mental health not good, Jesus have mercy. Anyway, not chat too much, no. Alright y'all, so I decided to give y'all a little mini haul of the stuff I got from Fashion Nova. The first thing is this dress right here. I'll have the names and the size that I got on screen. But this is, let me really show y'all how the dress fits right out the package. This is how it fit. I am short, so if you're taller than me, this is perfect mini dress. It is above my knee, but this is not the look that I'm going for. So I'm trying to finesse, like make it a little shorter. Of course, I'll probably wear some type of Spanx or something with this, just because my stomach has gotten huge over this time period. Love the color. It has this ripped detail on the sides. It is long sleeve. Honestly, you could wear this in the winter, to be honest, if you're trying to, you know, be a little risque. The only thing, if you're big busted, as you can see right here, I'm showing a little hole, so I might have to like show a little cleavage with this, which it ain't a problem. I'll probably give this like an 8 out of 10. But yeah, it fits better than I thought. All right, y'all, so the next piece is this top right here. It is this just plain black shirt. It's stretched down that way. I probably wouldn't wear it like that. I'm probably trying to find like a cropped look or tucked in a high-waisted shirt or something to make it look like a nice bodysuit. It is very comfortable. Now I wish I had gotten more colors in this. They have a bunch of colors, so I think I'm gonna go back and cop me some other colors, but I always like to try out one to see if I like it, and then I'll order more. So this is very comfortable. I can see myself wearing this to work, under like tucked in instead of one of my professional dress pants, you know, with probably a vest over it, a jacket over a blazer, whatever. Real cute, really simple. So the next piece is this sweatpants right here. I got this a little bit too big. Sometimes when I order extra large, it's too small, and so I decided to go 1X in this because it has this baggy look, which isn't always a bad thing. It just depends on how I'm gonna style it, but it's like scrunched up here, so I'll probably have to figure out a way to style this. I kind of pulled it up a little bit, probably with some socks, some high top shoes or boots or whatever, just to like pull off the look. So I probably go for like a baggy look. So maybe even tuck your shirt in. I probably wouldn't wear black. I'd probably wear something to complement this. So probably a white shirt or like a tan, some sort of like off brown type color to complement the color of the pants, and some high top boots or booties or sneakers or something to give it like a nice little look. But yeah, and an oversized jacket or something to go with it to, like, you know, make it a little more sophisticated. But this is a look right here. These pants are comfortable. I'll give these, for fit, I'll probably give them like a 6. I don't know. I feel like I don't like oversized stuff on me because I'm already like bigger. So I don't know. But it's cute. And for the top, I'll probably get a top like a 9, if not a 10. I don't know why I'm not giving it a 10, but yeah, maybe the length of it, I don't know. But this definitely, I'm going back for more. They have all the colors, so I'm going back to get definitely a white one because I love white tees. But yeah, very comfortable. So the next piece is this 2-piece velour set. The only downfall, joggers are two-tone, so this side is darker than this side. I really wish I saw that online. I didn't. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's cool though. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but in person, this is definitely the darker side and this is lighter. I was complaining about the other brown pants, so you should see this is my underwear right here that's showing. So I definitely could have sized up a bit, but I feel like me going up to like a 1X would have been too big and not the look that I was going. It is not all the way down to my ankle, so it is not tall girl friendly at all. So the top is this matching, obviously the matching top. It has a hood on there, and it zips all the way down, so you can show a little cleavage if you want to, you know. We don't have no problem doing that. Or you can zip it all the way up. It has these. You can draw the hoodies tighter. Pockets. Y'all know I love pockets. So pockets here and pockets here. Probably dress these with some nice sneakers, to be honest, and like a very casual look. Alright, so the last piece is similar to the olive set. Is just a black to it. The black one is a little tighter, y'all. I don't know if I can finesse this. And I'm going out tonight, and this is low-key what I wanted to put on. I could definitely wear it. I just can't do no squats or shake nothing, you know what I'm saying? But it's a casual night, so I'm just going over to my friend's house for a little chill kickback Friendsgiving type thing. So this is what I was planning to wear. Same fit. Honestly, I think the black one is a little tighter than the olive one. I'm cool with it. All right, y'all, so that is all I got from Fashion Nova. It was just a small order of, I just wanted to get some like basic stuff. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to get ready. I'm going over my friends for Friendsgiving today, like I told y'all earlier.